Okay, you're not going to get the fantastic sounds of a fully aerobatic helicopter, but gosh, it's a great introduction. I think this might just be the single best first RC plane. I'm going to press the button for takeoff. Off she goes. Like that. I ain't doing nothing at the minute. It's hunting to lock on a position. Having done nothing, it's locked on. Like that. You just can't get that with an XK 110, 130, 150, 160, any of the other types of helicopters. Like if you're a learner, that inspires confidence. Looks beautiful. Things can happen at a nice steady pace, 3 different speeds. Like, this isn't the first thing that you should be doing, but any helicopter that doesn't have some type of stability, location stability, optical flow in this case, you just can't guarantee what's going to happen. This is waving around a bit, but nothing dramatic, and things happen nice and slowly. Speed 1, speed 2, it is a bit small, nothing wrong with that. Speed 3. Okay, you're not going to get the fantastic sounds of a fully aerobatic helicopter, but gosh, it's a great introduction, and it inspires confidence, because any of the other planes that don't have this type of assist, when they crash, and they do, it's heartbreaking, because it's just so expensive to replace parts. You might even have to replace an entire helicopter, and that's just heartbreaking. Now, another unique feature with this seems to be auto invert. I've not done it. I've seen videos where you push the left or the right. I'll go up and try pushing, and there we go, and everything is the same. This is amazing, because normally things are reversed, but not with this. So it's like flying it normally. So look, I've never done this on this helicopter ever. This is my very first time doing it, but it just feels so comfortable. What a novelty. Like that's why this is just so much fun, and it's nice and compact. It looks beautiful, and okay, it does not have outright acrobatic ability, but it's a great introduction. You know, it's a great introduction to see, hey look, do you like this hobby? If you're coming from maybe fixed wing and stuff, give it a try. So I'm not saying it replaces acrobatic 3D helicopters at all. Of course it doesn't. But it's a great introduction, and that's why I think this is a fantastic introduction. I've got to put it back up. Very breezy now all of a sudden. Let's play safe. Probably safer than I need to be. And there we go. What a joy. Battery's nearly gone. What a joy. Oh, that was so much fun. As I said, never had this up in the air inverted before. I've flown it once. And let's take her into land. Battery's going low. And as with all these lipos, you don't want to over drain your battery. Actually, look. Let's just do an auto land so you can see. Landing. What's not to love? RC era, I think you've really done a fantastic job with this one. Hope you enjoy this video. Thumbs up.